Mamaya po, mapapanood nyo by doing that, nagagamit na po yan in daily life. Ang Aikido po ay hindi lang martial arts. It is being used on our daily life. Pang-araw-araw. Naglalakad tayo, nasa office tayo. You can practice Aikido, you can apply the principles of Aikido. Not only sa dojo, nagagamit, but outside, in our daily life. Dealing with people, you can use Aikido principles. Say 5, say 8. Nagagamit na po ito. You can evade, no? By using singsing. Jump. Olipuriwasa.
Olipuriwasa. Hit.
Pwede po. Osirotoriwasa. Very good. You can adapt this, mga nanonood, pag may mga backache kayo, you can use this exercise.